So here is an explanation of question 2 in the diagnostic. Again, this question involves following bedmists. It also involves working with integers. So remember, when you're working with following bedmists, you can't just move from left to right. You have to do it in the order of operations. So in this case, we're going to be multiplying first. So we're going to keep the -3 as is because we're not using it yet. 7 times 2 is 14. And then we're going to take away the 19. At this point, you can go and get your answer all in one step, or you can do it in 2 steps. So you can do -3 plus 14 is 11, and then subtract the 19. And 11 subtract 19 is -8. Or, if you wanted to, you could just go straight to -8 from that step there. So let's look at the next one. So let's look at part B. So part B, a little bit more complicated. There's some brackets going on. So we'll do 2 times. Remember, when there's no sign in between a bracket, it means to multiply. 7 minus 9 is -2. And then minus 6 times, again, when there's no sign, it means to multiply, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now we can do the multiplication. Remember, this isn't really a bracket anymore. It's a bracket when there's something inside to do. In this case, it's just showing multiplication, showing that you happen to be multiplying by a negative number. So 2 times -2 is -4. 6 times 3 is 18. And -4 minus 18 is -22. And finally, let's look at part C. So part C has an exponent going on. So again, we're not doing anything with the 6 yet, and we're not doing anything with the 2 yet. We have to do exponents first. If we want, we could do the division at the same time, because it's independent of the other step, and so if we want to, we can do that, or we can show it as a separate line later. Now, we're going to do our multiplication. So again, we're still going to write the 6, and 2 times 9 is 18, so we're going to write 6 minus 18 plus 4. And then again, you can do it in 2 steps, so you can go straight to your answer. So you can break it down and say 6 minus 18 is -12, and then -12 plus 4 is -8, or you could go straight to -8.